Continuing with my series of 15-minute meals, this vegetarian stir fry is another delicious and easy to put together stir fry. To make this vegetarian tofu stir fry, you will need some firm tofu cut into chunks, thinly sliced peppers, snow peas, either whole or sliced, finely chopped shallot, some sliced green onion, grated garlic, grated fresh ginger, some cooked thin noodles, I'm using a thin spaghetti, and some chopped peanuts to garnish. For the cooking sauce, I'll be using my basic balsamic sauce, which starts with 1/4 of a cup of water, 1/4 of a cup of balsamic vinegar, 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. To make your sauce, you're going to start with your 1/4 cup of water, add your cornstarch, add your brown sugar, stir it a little bit. You can do this while your pasta is cooking, so you've got some downtime. 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce, 1/4 of a cup of balsamic vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. As you heard the timer go off, our pasta is perfectly cooked. I've drained it, I'm covering it, and now I'm just going to put it aside. Using a large skillet or wok, heat 2 tablespoons of canola oil or peanut oil, something with a high smoke point. And when the oil is very, very hot, you're going to start by adding your shallots. Next, your peppers. Next, your tofu. Stir this around. Now we're going to add our garlic and our fresh ginger. We're looking for these peppers to be a little translucent. Just starting to get there. Now we'll add our snow peas and green onions. Smells so good. Keep your flame high and keep your mixture moving around. If you're using a firm tofu, it'll hold together nicely. Okay, now it's time to add your cooking sauce all at once. And when this starts to thicken, that's all there is to it. Your beautiful vegetarian tofu stir fry is ready to serve over your already cooked pasta or noodles. This fast stir fry comes together in minutes. Any combination of vegetables will work well, so do some experimenting. This can also be made without the tofu and served as a delicious side dish over steamed rice or Chinese noodles. If you use the vegetables your family likes, this is sure to become a family favorite.